We started by training models to act like they had memory, but then we found an open source implementation that does it for real. This is what we learned along the way. Language models recompute everything from scratch. Even common patterns like for loops get full attention treatment every time. Engram promises to fix this with direct memory lookup. Our first approach used LoRA fine-tuning. We trained a small model on hundreds of patterns until it behaved like it had memory. Accuracy improved 63%, but the architecture stayed the same. Then we found weagan's Engram repo on GitHub. It implements real hash-based memory in about 300 lines. A learnable memory table, deterministic hashing, and a gate that decides when to trust the lookup. The EnhancedEngramModule hashes each token to memory slots using multiple hash functions. The lookup is O1, constant time regardless of sequence length. A learned gate decides how much to trust each retrieval. The proof is in the plots. Top left shows Engram reaching perfect accuracy by epoch 2 while baseline is still climbing. Top right shows perfect long-term recall, even with 400 tokens of distraction. The improvement is consistent across all sequence lengths. We ported the module to work with HuggingFace models. A wrapper injects Engram after each transformer layer. The base model stays frozen, while only the memory table and gates get trained. But hash-based memory is not magic. It excels at exact match lookups with structured keys. It struggles with pattern completion that needs generalization. Same input must always need same output. The exact match evaluation tells the story. Engram jumped to 75% on acronym expansion, 67% on element names, but it hurt performance on capitals where the base model already knew the answers. Engram is a specialized tool, not a general enhancement. Use it for consistent lookups, terminology expansion, entity facts. Skip it for creative tasks or anything that needs generalization from context. 3 lessons from this journey. First, behavioral emulation through LoRA works but has limits. Second, real Engram memory is simpler than expected. Third, the tool must match the task. Hash-based memory is for recall, not reasoning. The code is open source. Engram POC has the full integration with HuggingFace models. weagan's repo has the clean reference implementation. Links to both and the DeepSeek paper are in the description. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications, and leave a comment if you have questions. See you in the next one. Bye.